Forest and park reserves. A forest is a large area of land covered with many trees and undergrowth, home to a variety of living things like animals, insects, and birds. The forest brings rain to the environment. The bark of some trees is used as medicines. Trees provide us with timber. They serve as a home for many animals. They provide the country with money. The act of cutting down trees in the forest without replacement is known as deforestation. Some causes of deforestation. Our forests are cleared to make room for feed crops and grazing pastures. Wood is needed for paper and construction. Large portions of our forests are cut down to build houses and produce furniture. A growing global population leads to the expansion of cities and highways to make room for people, cars, and trucks. Dangers of deforestation are deforestation reduces the amount and frequency of rainfall, which can lead to drought. It may lead to a complete loss for construction. Timber, it exposes the soil, which leads to erosion and flooding. It decreases soil due to erosion. Fertility, it leads to global warming due to too much accumulation of in the air. Carbon dioxide, it leads to the loss of plant and animal species habitats. Some ways of preserving the forest are forest reserves and national parks should be created to protect some plants and animals. Some important feni should be planted mostly in areas where trees have been cut down. Forest plants should be created to cater to some important and endangered species of animals. Zoos laws should be enacted by to control and protect the forest. The government should make laws to compensate for damage. Defaulters' trees should be replaced when they are cut down. This is known as afforestation. Here's a list of some of the best nature reserves in the world that are worth a visit. American Prairie Reserve. Amazon Rainforest, South America. Congo Rainforest, Africa. Valdivian Temperate Rainforest, South America. Tongass, North America. Rainforest of Sichuangbana, Sundarbans National Park. Daintree Forest, Australia. The Australian Great Barrier Reef, Kinabalu National Park. Sinharaja Forest Reserve, Sri Lanka. Mindo Nambillo Cloud Forest, South America, Chinzulo Island. In conclusion, forests and park reserves play an essential role in maintaining the health of our planet. They provide habitats for diverse wildlife, contribute to the water cycle, and offer resources like timber and medicinal plants. However, the alarming rate of deforestation poses significant threats, including climate change, loss of biodiversity, and soil degradation. It is crucial for us to recognize the importance of these natural treasures and take immediate action to protect them. We invite you to join the movement for forest preservation. Here's how you can make a difference. Support conservation efforts. Donate to or volunteer with organizations dedicated to protecting forests and wildlife. Advocate for sustainable practices. Encourage your community to adopt sustainable agriculture and forestry practices. Reduce paper use. Opt for digital alternatives whenever possible to lessen the demand for paper products. Plant trees. Participate in local tree planting initiatives or start your own project to reforest areas where trees have been cut down. Educate others. Share information about the importance of forests and the dangers of deforestation with your friends and family. Together, we can ensure that future generations inherit a healthy and thriving planet. Let's take action now to protect our forests.